We farm a few thousand acres here in southeast Iowa, primarily corn, soybean rotation.
Our operation is centered around our family in the Danville area, and it's just nice to call that home and that our kids are potentially going to come back to the farm and hopefully take over someday. Fall harvest, pretty fast-paced season, but it's also probably the most rewarding.
I think currently 10 to 15 different companies, organizations vying for carbon programs, with farmers. Nutrien programs seem like it just had a different take on it. Like they seem to have a genuine interest in what's it take to make it better next year. Basically, we enrolled all of our corn and soybean acres in this program. We went in wholeheartedly with it.
It was also fun, to talk to somebody else that knew what my data was on the other end. Carbon is the future on exchange, and we just want to be a part of it and learn from it.
We are seeing higher yields. We are seeing better grain quality, better weed control. Definitely helps us with some herbicide programs. We
want to continue to make it better than when we received it, and we want to leave it better for our kids because it's just the right thing to do, being a farmer.